I haven't posted in a long time, and I just don't want to make a dramatic I'm back video because honest to God, man, that feels very fake. And the real reason as to why I stopped posting was because the stuff that I posted just didn't resonate with me anymore. And it absolutely didn't feel like the real work that I wanted to do. I was making Botpress Voiceflow videos, N8N builds, like various AI automations, and they all seem like very cool ideas. And there were actually a lot of useful stuff that I built. But then I started to build like actual software products for enterprise clients, doing like well over 8 figures in yearly revenue, and that was sick. It was real clients with real expectations and a lot of money on the line. And once you've experienced that, like there's literally no way turning back to doing random YouTube tutorials every week. So this is going to me explaining where I've been, what I've done, and what I've experienced, and what I plan on making this channel and what I want it to become. So before, my mindset was kind of like, what can I build and what can I make in order for it to become a good video? And I always had in mind, like, I want to turn what I make into a proper business, and I want to make real clients, and I want to build stuff. But it was more so turning out to be like, people was kind of expecting me to be a guru, which I didn't want. And now instead it's more like, what can I build so that I can actually sell it to a big enterprise client and I can make real money out of it? And what do they actually want to pay for? And these are like honestly like two completely different questions, because a tutorial can be cool and all, and it can work and it can do cool things, and you can say you can sell it for like 5 bands a pop. But honestly, like once shit gets real and you lock in and you build something cool, like you have to understand this. Like even if you close a 7-figure company or a 8-figure company, like many of the people we work with, they make like 40-50 million a year. But to them, like they don't go about and they spend like $5,000 on a retainer. So what you build actually must give value. Like you cannot just sell some random bullshit, and that's a real different ball game. And that's what I've been doing for the past 8 months, just building something that people want to buy. So the way I build software now is completely different to when I was regularly making videos. Like before, I used to build, as I said, with Botpress, like no code tools, N8N, build random AI automations. But now, like, there's no difference to what I do and like the Claude devs or like big, like development agencies. Like, I work in GitHub. I share repos with my coworkers. I have colleagues. I have employees doing coding stuff for me. I use coding tools like Claude. I've taken my own coding classes. So like before, I used to know Python. I've taken more classes in Python. I've taken classes in AI engineering. I've done like all that stuff. So now it's more so like I could go into any company and work as a software dev because that's literally what I'm doing. But instead I own the company and it's my clients. But like if it was to go back to like a few years ago, like this wouldn't be possible for me. Like I'm 20 now. I graduated last year, like almost literally exactly a year ago right now. And I haven't gone to uni. I'm not going to go to uni. I just learned coding by myself, like from watching YouTube videos. And then obviously with AI, we're taking more so the approach of we have to be the architecture in our business, because like you cannot go to an AI, say, hey, build this, and it will have the perfect idea, the perfect architecture. Like what you need to do instead is go in there and have a fucking like flawless to the point understanding exactly the architecture, what you want to do, then the AI can kind of piece it together. But you must more so like build the whole map, you know, like, oh, this is when you lay a puzzle, like you always know what the final piece of the puzzle will look like, but you don't know how to put every piece together. So you must give it like, this is exactly all the techniques, all the like languages, all that stuff that you want to, that I want to use. You have to put it together. And that's what we're doing. And but the biggest reality check for me has probably been the money and sales part. Because online, especially in like online business like AI, SMMAs, dropshipping, everything, people make it out to be a fucking dream. Like, oh, I can hop on, I can lock in for 3 weeks and then I can make 10K a month. Like, that's not going to happen unless you have like been like chief at Microsoft or whatever before. But like, people make it seem that businesses are just waiting to throw money straight at you, but like, you can get away with working, building a half decent product that's honestly like shitty, and you can sell it for like, oh, like this will do all of this stuff, give me 2,000. Some guy will say yes, but then they will see, oh, I only got 100 and you promised 2,000, so like, yeah, I cancel. So your LTV will be hella low. People will like, yeah, cancel on you. People will cancel on you, and yeah, you will get a bad reputation and stuff. So instead, the vision that I want to do is just, I want to build like the objectively best product as possible, where you can literally just show numbers like, oh, this is how much we made, like you want it or not, like this is how much you're gonna pay, this is how much you're gonna make, like just facts. Like you cannot say no to facts and the numbers. But moving forward, I want to be clear about something. I'm not going to show you what I'm building. I'm not going to give you any of my real clients. I'm not going to show any receipts. I'm not going to talk any money. I'm not going to talk any numbers, all that stuff. And to be honest, it's just because I don't want to give away the exact work that I'm doing. I'm not wanting to be some fake ass guru that go on here, say, I build websites. I build exactly this exact website, make a tutorial on it. Then his real money comes from selling and scamming a course. No, like I'm literally, my only plan is to make money selling what I build, or like building and my colleagues help with the sales part. But that's a whole nother story. But yeah, so this is not one of those situations. Like, I build something, it's my build. I'm not going to share it. I can like talk about it, maybe high level, but still it's proprietary. Like it's my stuff. It's my future we're talking about. But at a very high level, we're building an e-commerce solution, obviously using AI, and we've onboarded a few 8-figure clients already. So it's going good and good. But like, as I said, people are not going to throw money at you. So I'm not saying that I'm never going to make a tutorial video again, but I just don't want the channel to be an all random, like AI business tools and random builds that I post every weekend. Like, I want it to be about me showing you what I'm doing, like how I'm building my real software, like documenting what my workflow looks like, what my day looks like, and like giving you my actual insights that I learn. So I can, because like if there's one thing I really care about is taking my knowledge and sharing it to the whole world. That's what I want to be doing. So yeah, no guru content, no fake how I make $1 billion with AI. And I just gonna show you like how I build something real. So yeah, that's where I've been. And I guess this is the first video back.